So we're going to start first with this Merry Christmas sign. This was in one of the Michaels boxes from last year. And then I got this snowman ornament at Goodwill. Someone else had obviously already bought it and returned it because it had that blemish from them trying to remove the tag. And this sign does have like a lot of different scuff marks you can see. So I'm just going to take some white chalk paint. I'm going to paint both the back of the snowman because he's going to hang off a little bit so you don't see the tag of the blemish. I'm painting the white to get that cleaned up on the sign. And then I'm taking these little burlap bows I got from Joann's. They were on clearance for like, I think half off, and putting that on there. But that one's an easy peasy, quick little change up. And then this other sign that I got from a Michaels box, this one is Wash Your Worries Away. It's a little bathroom sign. And I'm going to take some paint and some of the Cricut vinyl and this little ornament here. He was normally $9.99 at Hobby Lobby, but he ended up being like 90% off last year, so I believe I got him for 99 cents. And the plan is to take the Cricut vinyl and just cut strips and attach it onto here. But first, I got to put some white paint to get the letters away or they'll bleed through. And then you're just going to cut different sizes of strips of the red, the green, or whatever your Christmas colors are, and fit those onto the sign. Of course, you can do this on any kind of sign shape. And you're going to just alternate your colors, and you're going to do that both horizontally, and then you're going to come back and cut new strips and do them vertically. So same thing, and if you need some more red or some green or some separation, you can add some white vinyl in there too, like I did. And then once you have this kind of plaid pattern going on, then you're just going to center up whatever you want in the middle. So I'm going to take the Santa ornament, and of course his hat is like way too fluffy. So I'm just cut a little section out of the back of it, and then I pull some of the stuffing out because obviously I got to have him as flat as possible so that he'll adhere well. Once that's all good and the hat's reshaped, I'm just going to take some hot glue and press him on here, and that one was easy peasy. But I didn't, when I finished it, I thought the white was like too sparse, so I did add this gold on here, and I think it makes all the difference, as well as some gold onto the vinyl itself. The next sign idea is look for these Christmas books, especially like at Goodwill or yard sales. Goodwill should have everything after the holidays on clearance, and then just find a picture that you like. This is another Michaels grab bag little sign that I got from the spring and summer bags a few months back, and since it has this nice gold frame, I thought that'd be perfect for Christmas. So I found this cute little drawing here, and illustration I should say, and I'm just fitting that up, and that can be decoupaged right over the image if you have a frame like this where it can't be removed. Once that's all decoupaged, then of course I've got like this little border that you can see where I cut. So I'm taking some of this ribbon and I'm just going to frame it out almost like a matting. On the sides, it had some of the picture though. So since this has 3 sections, 2 solid and a netted middle, I'm just cutting off one of the little side slivers of red for the 2 sides. And then across the top and bottom, since it won't cover the picture, I'm just putting the full ribbon with the mesh insert. But isn't that cute? Really easy. These books, anytime you find them, definitely pick them up. I did the same kind of project around Easter time. So any kind of holiday or seasonal books are cool. This is also another Michaels sign out of my grab bags from the spring and summer stuff last year. And then I also picked up these Nutcracker stickers. They were at Hobby Lobby, and there's 6 of them. They're 3D, and they already have sticky stuff on them. So I'm going to take some green, some red, and some gold metallics and red and green metallics, and I'm going to change this sign over so that it matches and coordinates with the Nutcrackers. When you're doing the metallic paints, you're going to want to paint like a base of that color first. So I have not only the red metallic and the green metallic, but also those base colors for that purpose. So this one is a little red that's in an, what is it called? Artist Loft. That was in my Michael's Grab Bags too. It had an Artist Loft little paint set. So I paint that red, I paint my green base, and then once I get a coat of that, then I'm coming back over with my metallics. So this is my green metallic. I do the same with the red. And then for the gold metallic, I always do a black base because the gold is pretty translucent. So you can kind of see here where it's just being painted on the white. It's really, really light. So when you have a big area and you want it to be a really nice dark gold, you want to do black underneath. Now, what I did realize, and y'all saw there, is I had to peel off the little letters because it was actually like, even though it was covered with black paint, the outline of the letters could still be seen. So I had to pull that paper off, repaint it black and gold, and then now it's just as easy as placing your little nutcracker, and then since he's already adhesive, you can go ahead and squish him on, and then that's it for that. Isn't he cute? But anyways, super cute, quick projects and ideas for y'all with your Michael Box of Signs, and I hope everyone had a great holiday season. I'll see you on the next one.